One of the most common questions I'm asked is, what kind of cookware should I invest in? And that can be a tricky question to answer because depending on the type of home cook you are, I might give you a slightly different answer. But one thing is for sure, it is never a bad idea to have a couple of really great stainless steel pieces of cookware in your collection. And that's why I'm so excited to talk to you guys about this brand, which is Misen. Misen, kind of like mise en place, which means everything in its place. It's a really smart company and they've made some really fantastic products. So when it comes to stainless steel cookware, what I like about what they're doing is they're bringing us that durability and that quality at a really fair price point. So when it comes to investing in stainless steel cookware, it can be overwhelming because many times the brands you're looking at are really, really expensive. And if you're looking at a set, that can feel like a huge investment. First of all, I don't think you need more than a few pieces of stainless steel cookware. These are great examples and some that I love. So this 10-inch skillet is great in that when I cook in it, like let's say I'm gonna sear off a chicken thigh, whether I'm doing that right in the center of the pan or the side of the pan, I find that because of the quality construction, I get an even sear and heat distribution everywhere in this pan. So it's gonna cook consistently throughout, which is fantastic. It is a 5-ply construction, so there are layers of aluminum and stainless steel that promote that great heat distribution, but also durability. So this is the type of pan that you invest in once, or skillet, and you don't have to reinvest in it forever, really. It should be well made enough that it's going to last you a really, really long time. When you pick it up, you'll notice some weight to it. It's not too heavy that it's not comfortable to hold with one hand, but that speaks to the quality construction of the skillet. I really like that the handle doesn't get hot, and I find that it's well balanced. So it's a comfortable skillet to use, which is fantastic. In addition to their stainless steel cookware, they're also known for their wonderful knives. So Misen makes a knife that is kind of like a hybrid between a German knife and a Japanese knife, and I really like how it feels in my hand. It's not too heavy, and I think they've done a great job with just the ergonomics of the knife design. It's a really great price point. So they often compare themselves to those higher price points with the same quality, and I would be in agreement with that. This is their standard chef's knife. They also make a short chef's knife, which is great for someone like me with really small hands. So when it comes to people who say, look, I just need to hit the reset button on some of those essentials in my kitchen, this is a great company to check out. I think they're able to deliver quality products like stainless steel cookware and knives at a really fair and reasonable price that you won't be sacrificing any of that quality. Highly recommend you check them out. They sell some wonderful bundles, an essential bundle, a starter bundle, and a complete bundle. And so if you are looking to, like I said, hit that reset button, give these guys a look. They make a great product.